please a big round of applause from one of the founders, Jochen, who's going to show you how to throw. Come on, Jochen!
I wish that the competitors, we can still be friends after all this. So I've been watching some competitors throw, and I think I've determined my technique. I'm going to want it to spin like a helicopter blade with aerodynamics. You don't want the trajectory too high, because then you're going to give up your distance. And then also you want it to land flat, because it can slide, and that counts.
Background server factory. You own this. You own this. That's oh my God! The closest ever in the history. Our runner-up, Tag. Which makes our winner Ryan! Unbelievable. Closest in the history. All 3 years of it.